Hey guys, time for another real quick recap. So anything not mentioned is going to be the Crafty Student because, well, I am a diehard. If you hear any babbling in the background, that would be my daughter. So this is going to be for May 27th through June 2nd. I am using the Around the World a la carte kit from the Crafty Student. So this week was when my daughter had her last day of school. So I had a countdown. There were games going on, cup games, bills, and yeah, a lot going on. Got a lot done this week. I didn't mark those two, crap, but I will mark them after. A lot going on though. And then on to the dailies. So there was that's my weekly view, my sidebar. And on to my dailies. Here's Monday. There are some new stickers out from the Crafty Student, by the way. So make sure you grab them. Fill the cart. Wash hair. Take out the trash. Very important ones, let me say, for me. And then there's Tuesday. The envelope is also new and cuddle time. Got some stuff done on Wednesday, as you can see. Got a lot done, a lot going on. And the cups one. And then we had a lazy day on Thursday, which was the first day of summer break. Realistically, I feel like today is the first day of summer break. And then Friday, a lot going on. Saturday, not much going on, just a chill day. And Sunday, got a lot done. All the information will be down below. I also have a plan with me for this, so I will have that in the card sometime during this video. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Otherwise, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!